इतनी जल्दी दोबारा कहने का मौका मिलेगा सोचा नहीं था, बट आई एम हैप्पी टू डू इट. Women telling women stories. One more. Hey all, my name is Sucharita. Welcome back to my channel. Cancer reviews आ रहे हैं back to back. Furiosa, All the Imagine is Light और Megalopolis के बाद. Now let's talk about Sandhya Suri's Santosh that competed in the A Certain Regard category, starring Shahana Goswami and Sunita Rajvar in the lead roles. Shahana है संतोष, जिससे हमारी मुलाकात होती है after tragedy has struck. Freshly widowed, Santosh is rapidly realizing that life at her in-laws is not going to be the same anymore. हमारे लड़के को खा गई के आरोप से बचने के लिए, even when she goes back to her parents' the influence at that house also is very जो TV soaps का होता है, which have encouraged traditional gender roles. So she takes the only option available that will enable her to have some agency, that of accepting a constable's position, क्योंकि her husband was in the police as well and she's eligible to a job and living quarters from the government. While this UK/German/French production is set in what seems like modern-day Uttar Pradesh, all names of cities are made up. You'll find a Mapur, a Ghazalibad, Nerat, Madrabad, perhaps to steer clear from potential controversy that could arise from telling the story of a corrupt police department, by using plausible deniability. To compensate though, Sandhya Suri works way hard over time to make everything appear too real, raw and very unpolished. Leading the charge is an incredible Shahana Goswami, from washing blood off her deceased husband's uniform to gradually accepting कि senior police officer का कुत्ता घुमाना पड़ेगा, to watching in horror as she discovers what really goes on behind the scenes. Shahana is a force to be reckoned with. Sandhya Suri in this film wants to tell the story of a society she doesn't quite know how to fix and is hoping to find answers through her writing. Santosh sees how people are judged before their complaints are even noted down at the police department, clearly not equal in the eyes of those whose job it is to uphold laws. When a Dalit girl goes missing, the film turns into a crime thriller, introducing arguably its best character, played by Sunita Rajvar, only identified as Inspector Sharma. Because as Santosh is coming to rapidly realize, most people are identified in this world by their caste, their surname, which dictates what treatment they will receive from those around them. Inspector Sharma is arguably a feminist. She looks out for Santosh. She holds her hand when Santosh is overwhelmed and about to drown in the male-dominated, loud world around her. But simultaneously, Sharma is also a raging Islamophobe, जिसके लिए extrajudicial killings are nothing out of the ordinary. How do we then feel about this woman? The film asks you. She most certainly had to do whatever she needed to do to rise among the ranks. In a pivotal scene, which I won't describe in too much detail here, I want you to watch and experience it yourself, but Santosh in the scene too makes a choice. This is her point of no return. A man is tied up in front of her and torturing him to get a confession is sort of an initiation ceremony for her. Shahana is simply phenomenal here. She's lifting the material. She's surrounded by Devika Dave's excellent production design, framed in a roomy and somehow claustrophobia-inducing cell by cinematographer Leonard Hilege. Sorry for my pronunciation. The actor comes alive in this scene. It's a real treat to watch. Overall, Santosh the film has more thoughts and questions rather than answers. Sandhya Suri sees how a common Indian person, especially if they are from a minority community, has no recourse, no options, no solutions. All of us know this is wrong, but we participate, we perpetuate. It is a dog-eat-dog world in which Sandhya's Santosh is sinking a little bit more every day. She knows if she protests the system, it'll be her getting beat up and left to fend for herself on the side of the road. In a world where her whole life she's had nothing to her name, she chose to take whatever power was given to her. Is that right or is that wrong? The film doesn't know. You decide when you get to watch the movie. So, let's get a 1 to 10. Santosh is. One khas shout out here to actor Sanjay Bishnoi, who plays a politician so far removed from his real affable personality in real life. I couldn't even recognize the actor when we met at Cannes. Sorry Sanjay, you're great in the film. Up next, let's talk about The Apprentice, shall we? ट्रम्प को जो अभी 34 काउंट्स पर गिल्टी पाया गया है, राइट? लाइक yesterday, उस बंदे की ओरिजिन स्टोरी अली अब्बासी has made, starring Sebastian Stan and Jeremy Strong. And I'm not sure if it is such a good idea. That review is coming up next, but only if you click the subscribe button below this video. Only then. Otherwise, it's not. My name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by.